Hey everyone, and welcome back for another episode of Yoga Anywhere. I'm so glad you decided to join me for today's episode. My name is Amanda, and I'm going to be taking you through today's practice. So today we're going to be doing a little bit of core work. And core work is so important for your yoga practice. It helps stability in standing poses and balance poses and any type of inversions or arm balances. And it's just really great for life in general to have a strong core. So let's get started. So we're going to start on our back. We're going to reach our legs up towards the ceiling, so nice and straight, arms are long by your sides. And all we're going to do is little lifts. So lift, 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 continuing like this. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Really good. And then we're going to drop our left leg down and we're going to reach 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Draw your knees into your chest. Let's take a little break. Really good. Not sure if any of you out there do any fitness channels, but sometimes I do Cassie Ho's videos from Blog Pilates, and her stuff is so hard. So if you think that this is hard, go check her out and you'll find that I'm much more forgiving. All right, releasing your legs down, about hips width distance, feet directly in line with your hips. We're just going to do some traditional crunches. We're going to interlace our hands behind our head. Inhale, draw your pelvis in, belly towards the mat, and then exhale, lift. Lift, lift. So nice and slow and intentional. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Really good. Staying up, arms long. We're just going to go side to side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Really good. Releasing down, knees into your chest. Give yourself a big squeeze. All right, so now we're going to keep our legs up. We're going to reach our arms up towards the ceiling. We're going to bring our legs up just a little bit, and we're going to rock in. Just rock, rock. And this is a really subtle movement that makes all the little muscles deep within the core and the lower belly work. So really use your core to draw you in. Keep your arms nice and long up towards the ceiling. Really good. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Amazing. All right, rocking up, coming on to our front. We're going to do a traditional plank. So we're going to come down onto our elbows. You can interlace your hands. And we're going to do it for 30 seconds normal and then 30 seconds on each side. So coming into a Vashisthasana. So I'm going to time us and try and keep us on track. So let's get started. Nice and long, pelvis tucked. Keep your back nice and straight, bum nice in line with your body, and hopefully mine is like that. Really good. We are halfway into our first one. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rocking on to our left. Really good. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Over onto the right. I'm going to switch directions so you're not staring at my butt. Last one. You've got this. Really good. Breathing deep. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. So good. Take a nice deep breath, pat yourself on the back, and meet me in a Sphinx pose. So coming onto our front, arms are long in front of us, just like the number 11. And all we're going to do is draw our chest subtly forward. You'll feel a nice stretch through your front. Really good. Amazing. So if you want a little bit more, you can move through that a couple different times, maybe do like 3 rounds or something like that. But if you just work through that every single day or variations of those things, you'll find that your core becomes nice and strong super soon. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let me know. Give this video a like and subscribe if you enjoyed it. And as always, I will see you next time. Namaste.